Hey beautiful people, welcome to my channel. This is Jeffrey Navdatya. Well, today we're going to be doing a pick a card reading for the upcoming month of September. I'm sure everybody is curious and wants to know what's in store, what's going to happen, what are the probabilities, and what are the things that we need to be careful of, aware of. So I'm going to keep this pick a card very intuitive, very natural, very interesting. All right, so what I would like you to do, whichever pile is staring at you, calling out to you, calling out your name, all right, whichever crystal that you are naturally drawn towards, pick either one or two piles as you wish. All right, the timestamps will be in the description box below. This is pile number 1, which has a natural raw black tourmaline along with it. Pile number 2, which has a beautiful moonstone. Pile number 3, this has pyrite with some clear quartz in it. It's an absolute beauty. Pile number 4, this has red garnet in it. Alright, so if you like, you could pause the video, you could stare at the cards, you could meditate on the cards, and you could see whichever pile is calling out to you or you're naturally drawn towards. You could select that pile. I hope you enjoy this reading. Please keep in mind that this is a generic reading. In case something doesn't resonate, I would request you to move on in life. All the best to you, and hope that you have a fantastic month ahead and a beautiful journey ahead in life. I'm really happy that you've clicked on this video, and there's definitely some message which has to reach you. That's why you're here with me. Alright, so let's quickly get into the piles and let's start the reading. Alright, very happy to have you here. Thank you. Alright friends, so for all those who've selected pile number 1 along with the raw black tourmaline. Okay. Just a moment. All right. Okay, so for all those who've selected pile number 1 in the month of September, okay, firstly, I'd like to tell you that you are someone who's very capable. All you need this month is a lot of focus, and also you need to be very disciplined in the way you organize your day, plan your day. So have a to-do list, have a schedule, have some pointers, have some post-its stuck of the tasks that you need to complete, and then nothing is stopping you. Success is around the corner. All right, also I see that you could be considering learning something new or getting enrolled in some course, say some online course, or developing some new skills, or say if you already have a skill like you love dancing, so practice that. If you play an instrument, say you love playing a guitar, so remove that guitar, spend time with it, polish your skills, learn it better, be more focused, and you will do wonders at it. Also, in case you have kids at home, all right, do encourage them to develop a skill, learn something new, or get enrolled in some online courses, or learn something new, or brush up on their skills. All right, and developing some kind of skill is what is the message that I'm receiving. Also, everyone who's say working or is running a business, you need a plan. All right, you need pointers, you need structure, you need discipline, and then you will do wonders. All right, you need to get up and take action. It's also showing me that a lot has been going around, a lot you have been going through at a personal level, and your vitality has dropped, your energy levels have dropped, your enthusiasm has dropped. So that is not what we want. I want you to get up 10 to 15 minutes in the beginning of the day. You could go for a walk, or you could just jog on spot, or just fill yourself with more energy and tell yourself that I'm going to have a fantastic day ahead. Also could practice some gratitude early in the morning. It really works, trust me. At the same time, okay, balance in your relationship, so equal giving and receiving. Don't be someone who's just expecting, wants things, wants everyone to do everything for you. No, you also get up and do things for them, and be someone who's around to support, to help, and be someone who's as much as giving. All right, it's a very beautiful feeling when you can do something for someone, you can help someone, you can support someone. Okay, so that is something to think about and to consider in the upcoming month. All right, like to add to that. Okay, now also spend some alone time. I'm not saying that you have to compulsory sit and meditate, no, but just taking a walk in the nature, sitting in the park, or just sitting somewhere where you can relax, sip on your coffee, tea, feel good, listen to music. So basically some alone time. What has happened nowadays is that we're too much in a lot of chaos. We're watching a lot of news and we're not hearing good things, and we're watching a lot of videos all day around, and there's so much noise and there's so many things happening all over the world, and our minds are clustered. So we are not able to heal, we are not able to feel relaxed, we are not able to feel good. So what I want you to do is either some prayers for few minutes a day, or listening to something that is soothing, relaxing. Do whatever makes you feel good, but when you're sitting quietly, all right, and feeling good, and feeling yourself a little within, the little like I'm going deeper within, I'm getting to know myself more, I'm understanding what are the real things that I want in life, that kind of thought process and feeling, and a little slow down is what I mean. Okay, because there could be a lot of noise and chaos around you or in your mind that you've been currently experiencing is what I see. Okay, also there could be a relationship or a friend you are hesitant to go ahead with. Say maybe you like someone but you're not sure, or somebody's betrayed you in the past, so you're afraid to take that first step or commit. So basically you've not opened your heart, and your heart area is not healed, and you need to heal your heart area and open the doors of love, open the doors of people that you've had tiffs with or fights with. So what I'm saying is forgive, forget, move on, and if there is someone, you could give it a try and you could see how things are going, and don't have this fear of being intimate or with someone. All right, of course you have to feel good about it and you need to be a little sure about it, so figure that out and see how it goes. Also, okay, as I mentioned earlier, it could be a time to take a few decisions. Now that could be work wise or personally. There are a few decisions, okay, there are a few things which are hanging in there and you've not addressed. And also listen to your inner voice, listen to your intuition, listen to what you're hearing inside. Yeah, that's how we develop our intuition, and we all are naturally blessed with intuition. It's just that some of us are used to listening to the inner voice and some of us are not used to. So you have to get used to listening what is coming from within. What am I feeling? What feels right? What should I do personally or work wise or relationship wise? All right, also I would see that some of you would be considering doing a little makeover. So it could be a self makeover, or it could be buying some new stuff for your house or your room, or changing some stuff around you. And it also shows that you celebrate in that beautiful environment that you've created or set up. So you're looking at creating some beautiful stuff around you and you want to improvise. Say you're living in a room and you feel that the walls are not that great or the bed sheets are not that great, so you want to bring about, it could be small changes, it could be big changes, and once the changes are done, you're very excited and happy about it and you're feeling better, you're more uplifted. All right, so that is something I'd like to share with you. Also, okay, now remember, we all are energy. So whatever we throw out or we execute is what we receive back. So understand that we all are vibrating at a certain frequency, at a certain vibration. So we need to vibrate as a decent vibration so that we attract those good things, those good opportunities, those good people. And say if you want to settle down, or you want to find a partner, or you want to find that perfect job, or whatever is it that you're looking out for, you need to be operating at a good vibration, and you need to be releasing that positivity, that good thoughts, so that those good things come in life and they easily enter your life, and there are no blockages, there are no doubts. So please don't operate with any doubts in mind, as I already told you that it's a time of taking certain decisions and being sure about what you're doing. Also, as I mentioned, when you will spend time alone, a lot of clarity will flow through you. There will be this feeling that I know what I'm doing, I should be doing this, I should not be doing this. When you're more clear, your thoughts will be better, there'll be less confusion, there'll be less chaos. You'll feel that okay, I'm going in the right direction, so you will feel more positive, you will feel that you're taking the right steps. At the same time, when we are learning something new, as I mentioned, you will feel better, you will feel uplifted, you will feel good about yourself. Okay, also know that doing things in a systematic, good planned manner definitely is going to get you success. This is a great card to have. Also, we have law of attraction, so please make sure that your thoughts are aligned in a good way, in a positive way, and do everything that it takes to uplift your energy. All right, and the crystal that I have for your reading is clear quartz. Now, clear quartz is a magnifier, an amplifier, a master healer. I have a beautiful clear quartz over here, let me show you. Okay, so this is a clear quartz crystal. Now, you could wear clear quartz, you could keep clear quartz with you. You could definitely consider using clear quartz in the month of September. It will help you. It will firstly bring a lot of clarity of mind. Okay, like you want to throw out all the garbage, all the things that are not required, and you want clarity. You want to focus only on things that are important. Okay, so clear quartz at the same time will heal you, will give you clarity. It's a master healer. Also, it's going to amplify energies. So say if you're happy, you're positive, and you're doing everything and you're doing your task on time, definitely is going to amplify that and bring beautiful things in your life. All right, so overall there's nothing that you need to worry about. Things are going to be good. All I want to tell you is that be focused, know what I want to do in this month, what I need to achieve, and use your time effectively. Be more disciplined, and that's about it that I want to tell you. And it's like a time to, like, here also I read that ready steady go. Here also he's all like in full force, he's going ahead, he wants what he wants. Okay, so there's nothing that can stop you if you know what you want and you are not confused. Also, if there's someone who likes you or wants to go out for a coffee with you or wants to meet you, and if you feel it's good giving it a shot, please go ahead. Please don't hold on and feel that no, I shouldn't, or be completely confused about it. No, it could be a good thing in future that turns out something good or something better. All right, so all these things also have a balance in the giving and receiving aspect in life. And definitely go ahead and use clear quartz, it will help you. All right, so that's about it for pile number 1. I hope you enjoyed the reading and there's some important message which has reached you, and I hope that you have a fantastic beautiful month ahead. Right, see you soon, take care, have a great day, bye. All right friends, let's start with pile number 2 with the moonstone. Just give me a moment. Okay, so to start with, all right, seeing that in the month of September you are going to await some messages which are going to be money related, work related, some deals closing, or getting a new job, or getting that check which is stuck. And definitely there's a possibility that you're going to get it. And also there's a possibility of you've been working at something or trying for a new job or a new deal or expanding your business or project. Things could definitely work out for you. Okay, it's going to be a good month as far as your finances go, so that's a great news for pile number 2. Also, you are someone who wants to be rewarded, you are someone who wants to shine, who wants to be noticed, who wants to be one of the socialite or the page 3, or everybody is looking at you, praising you, enjoying. Also, you're desperately waiting to go on a holiday, but probably because of the circumstances in the world, we can't opt for holidays as of now, so you got to hold on that. But definitely rewards, recognition is something in store in the month of September. Also, I see that it would be great if you could go ahead and make some lifestyle changes. Certain things that are not suiting you or are not doing good to you, it's time for it to go. All right. Also, I see in your reading, I see a card of addictions. So in case there is something in your lifestyle or the way you're dealing with things or leading, say the way your timings are, or you don't use your time more effectively, or say if in case you are eating too much or you're overeating or you're not exercising or not taking care of yourself. All right, so it could be any lifestyle changes. Figure it out. You know yourself best and you know what's good for you. We all know what is good for us. All right, so get up, get those changes done, and then you're going to flourish and people are going to love you, notice you. Also, I see in your reading that there is a little playfulness in your energy. You're a little childish, you're a little funny, you're also a little naughty. At times, those things get you in trouble. All right, so be naughty but not very naughty. All right, on a lighter note, but there are definitely some changes that you have to bring about. Also, self-love is something that I want you to focus on in the month of September. All right, so take care of yourself, take care of your grooming, love yourself, look pretty, look handsome, look beautiful, do things that make you feel good and have a good feeling of that I'm worth it. All right, I deserve, I'm beautiful. We all are blessed with a lot of good things. We just need to recognize. We can never say that I'm good for nothing. That's not true. Each one of us has some talent, some skill, something good about us. All right, we just need to tap into that energy. We need to find that out. We need to figure that out, and we need to believe that we are good. Okay, so a lot of self-appreciation, a lot of self-love. It will also bring some confidence and good feelings, and it'll make you feel good about your life and everything that you want and you want to achieve. Okay, so heal away any addictions, anything that is not doing good to you. It could also be a lot of drinking, smoking, abusive language, or a lot of overeating. It could be anything. All right, any kind of addiction is not good, so do things in moderation. Also, I see that you are someone who can see things very clearly. You're very alert. Like when you enter a room and you look somewhere, you know exactly what's going on. If somebody is hiding something from you, you pick that up also. So you are someone who's having a very sharp eyesight, at the same time very clear about what I'm looking at, what I want, very direct. Okay, so use this to your advantage and know that this is right, this is good for me, let me head in this direction and let me do this. The same way, bring about those certain lifestyle changes and you are going to flourish. And there are a lot of good financial messages also that you're receiving in the month of September. Also, I see that you are someone who has not forgiven some people in life. Say somebody has hurt you in the past. It could be your brother, sister, relative, your friend, your ex-boyfriend, or whoever. All right, always understand that someone hurts us because we allow them to hurt us. So we always say, right, that we clap with two hands. It's never only one person's fault. Okay, so let's understand. And always remember that we need to forgive, we need to forget. It's good for us. If we hold on to things, and if there are things stored inside us emotionally and it's stuck inside, and we have that hatred and we have those bad feelings, it's dropping our vibration. It is blocking the good things that can enter in our life, that can happen with us. We are blocking, obstructing, just because we are not letting go of the old things. So I'm seeing that you need, okay, to surrender resentment. At the same time, I'm seeing this card of time to move on. Okay, so anything that is not doing good to you, it could be addictions, it could be relationship, it could be work wise, it could be personally, could be some personal habits. Whatever is not doing good to you, please leave it, please move on, please forgive. All right, so that is the core, that's really important, and you will flourish. Okay, also, in case you're considering self-employment, you want to start something new, you want to plan something new, you want to start doing something on your own, please go ahead. Okay, your business would be surrounded with a lot of opportunities, and it will not be a big struggle for you, it will be good for you. Okay, so please go ahead, work on it and give it a shot. Also, it's showing me that, as I earlier said, you're a little naughty, so there's a lot of passion, you're very passionate, you're very hardcore strong lover also, if you intend to be. So there's this real passion energy that surrounds you. You're very passionate, so whatever that you're passionate about, go ahead, okay, work on it and focus on it, and let that passion flow. Feel good about it. Okay, do good to yourself, do good to everyone around you, and also a lot of self-love, as I mentioned earlier. Okay, and you need to do a lot of forgiving. Please don't hold on to things. Okay, I always tell whoever comes to me in private sessions that when we don't forgive, all those things get stored inside us, and they sooner or later turn into sicknesses in certain parts of our body. So please don't do that. Forgive, forget. It's a relief. It's like, there's this big can of garbage or big sack of garbage, and you go and throw it and you feel so good. Okay, all the kachra is gone now. So please let it go. It's not worth holding on to. It's not worth thinking about it or feeling bad about it. It's over, it's done with. Also remember, if there's something in your past, okay, that has really affected you or hurt you, or just tell yourself repeatedly that my past is dead, my past is dead. Also, you could write down my past is dead 21 times. Okay, it will really help, it will heal you, and it will enter your subconscious that actually my past is dead and it's not doing any good to me. The only thing that matters now is present and my beautiful future ahead. All right, so I see a good September for you, but I see that you need to heal certain areas about you emotionally. Okay, and also you're someone who needs a lot of recognition, love, rewards, and all those things. So all those good things in store, a nice month ahead. Also, there could be some opportunity, or there could be need for you to go somewhere or to make a short trip. Okay, that is something that could be in store, but don't get too naughty. Okay, hold your horses, because that could get you in trouble. So keep that in mind and make those lifestyle changes as I have mentioned. Get rid of any addictions. Good time to move on. Please don't resent, forgive, forget, heal. And in case you want to start something new on your own, definitely a fantastic time to do that. The crystal which has popped for you is the malachite. Now, so perfectly it suits this reading. Malachite is for our heart chakra, our heart area. I also wear a malachite pendant many times. Malachite soothes you. It removes any emotional pain or anything that is stuck inside your heart, and it has a beautiful free flowing energy. So use a lot of green color. You could wear malachite, you could wear a malachite pendant, you could wear a malachite bracelet, or you could have it on your desk with you, or your table with you, bedside with you. Have malachite. It will help you, it will heal you, it will make you feel good. Also, we spoke about self-employment. So somebody who wants to start something, wants to flourish, green is a flourishing color. It's flourishing in nature. Everything that is green is growing around us. So definitely have a malachite with you. It will help you in the growth, of your business, of your heart. It's also great for your immunity. And I don't want to get too much into crystals because I love crystals and I can talk about crystals for a really long time, but let's not deviate. So malachite is something you could surely use in the month of September, and it will definitely do a lot of good to you. And remember to forgive, it's really important. And let's sum up pile number 2. I hope you enjoyed this reading and there was some message which had to reach you and you feel good, and have a fantastic September ahead. Thank you so much for tuning in. See you soon. Bye. Take care. Alright friends, let's get started with pile number 3, which has the pyrite. Just give me a moment. All right. Okay. Well, to start with, I'd like to tell you that you've been working on something for a long time and it's about to reach completion. You're about to get the result and you're going to get beautiful results. You're going to feel good about it. Finally, whatever you've been waiting for, your prayers are going to be answered. And I see that you have this heart full of wishes. There are a lot of dreams. There's a lot of visualization that has happened. You've really put on a lot of work into that, and it could be something huge, all right, which really matters to you, and it's going to happen. It's going to be good for you. And the month of September, you're going to welcome those things. Just one thing I'd like to mention: please keep your ego in check. All right, at no point of time you should have a superiority feeling or let your ego take over and feel that somebody else or the ones around you are lower and you are superior. Please don't let that enter your energy field. Also, ego is something that does no good to us, so keep your ego in check. You are someone at times like my way or highway kinds. Also, it's like come what may, I'm going to go ahead and get this. You have that attitude. It's good in a way, but not at the cost of hurting someone or stabbing someone and then going ahead and achieving it. We don't want that. So keep that in mind. Use the correct means, the correct way, and the correct process to do things that you want in life. Also, there could be some decisions as far as money that you've taken. It's showing me that it could be that you've spent some big amounts or some huge amounts of money and you're unhappy about it, or you feel, oh man, why did I do that, I shouldn't have, or you keep sulking on it, or you keep thinking about it. Or it could also be that you've given money to someone and that person is not returning to you, or you're waiting for that paycheck since long and you're not getting it. It could be any one of those things that I'm seeing, but it could be something about money that you're thinking about and you're not feeling good about. Also, please don't keep focusing on what you don't have. Focus on what you have. That's what that really matters in life. And in life there are many things that we lose and there are many things that we gain or achieve or we win. So let's focus on the good. Let's not focus on the things that have not worked out for us. Maybe it was not the right time. As they say, there's a divine time for everything. Maybe the time was not right. Maybe it was not meant to be. So consider those things. Also, I have some beautiful cards popping up. You are definitely getting some good messages about abundance, and just have the faith and follow good things and have a good attitude, and you are definitely achieving all the good things that you want. All right, also just a moment. For some reason that I see, that in the past few months, self-confidence, the self-worth, the trust in yourself has diminished. You are feeling that maybe you messed up, or I'm not taking the right decisions, or I made mistake. Will I be able to again do the right things, be on the right path, achieve the good, and do my best? So you're not feeling good about yourself in certain ways. So please don't lose trust in yourself. And what matters to you, what you believe in, what you have faith in is of utmost importance. Please don't pay too much attention to what others are saying or what others feel that you should do, and you have to listen to others all the time. No, you will follow your heart, your instinct. You should know that there is magic within you, and you should trust yourself. All right. And definitely for those reasons, you should also shield yourself, protect yourself. Okay, spend time with only those who are positive and are on the right path. Don't spend time with people who are of no, I would say, how do I put it, like someone who's wasting a lot of time or has no direction in life, or is very passive or not doing any good to himself or to anyone around. So don't spend time with people, who are just hanging in there and not doing much. Yeah, protect yourself from that energy. Protect yourself constantly, because there's something big that you're going to do and achieve, is what I see in life. Okay, and September is going to be a very good month for you, where you're going to see a lot of results. So keep your energy positive, free flowing, and you should feel beautiful about yourself and everything that you achieve. Also, what I would like to tell you is that one point, eating light food. Okay, not eating too much heavy or fried or say too much processed food. Stay away from that. Try to have salad or lighter food at times. Okay, you could also consider getting into a vegetarian diet or going vegan, but that's up to you. All right, if you'd like to consider that, or at least choose to have salads or something light or something good and some healing food for your body, and that's not really heavy to digest, or it's not doing any bad to your system. Okay, also, okay, let me mention this. There's something about your laughter that people love, or it's that when you are around and you're laughing, everybody's laughing and everybody's feeling excited, everybody's feeling good. So please laugh, please enjoy yourself. Please don't be hesitant in enjoying and opening up and doing things that you love doing. Also, I'm seeing that everything that you've been waiting for, now the time has come. You are going to get your results. So please keep your ego in check and don't focus on things that are not doing good. Yeah, please don't focus on the past ever. As I always say, that our past is dead, so believe in that. Only thing that matters is present. I keep saying that over and over again. So please strongly focus on only positivity and good things. Okay, the crystal that has popped up for you is amethyst. Amethyst is like my favorite. It's a fantastic crystal. I call it like the complete balance. I have one right here with me. Okay, so amethyst, I have a special video on amethyst, everything about amethyst. If you want to know about it, I'm going to link it in the description box below. Please have a look at it. So you could choose to wear a amethyst so that you take good decisions, you have a good balanced mind, and you would be intuitive. You'd feel good. It's a natural transmuter. It's going to remove all the bad things and fill you up with all love and good healing energies. At the same time, you're going to be very focused. You're going to have a balanced mind, a balanced body. What more you want, right? So this is going to get you the protection also, as it shows us that shield yourself. It's important right now. So shielding is great for each one of us. Also, just a small tip, imagine yourself wrapped around in white light, sealed and locked. Keep saying this a few times, and you will feel that you're protecting your aura and energy and not allowing any negativity to enter your personal space. Have amethyst around you at home, on your desk, in your living room, or you could wear an amethyst pendant or earrings. Amethyst is always best in the upper body, not as a bracelet. Okay, so remember that. And this is all that I like to tell for all those who've selected pile number 3. I hope you enjoyed the reading and there was some special message which had to reach you, and it has reached you, and really happy to have you over for my reading. See you soon. Bye. I hope you have a fantastic, beautiful September ahead. Take care. See you soon. Hello friends, let's get started with pile number 4, which has the red garnet. Just give me a moment. Alright, okay, to begin with, I'd like to tell you that those who have selected pile number 3 for the month of September, now you are someone who's very sharp, who's very witty, who knows exactly what I want, and you are great in your work. Alright, whatever task you are given, you're able to execute it very well, and you will continue to execute it very well. At times, people around you could also be afraid of you. They could be intimidated by you. Okay, you could scare off someone. Also, the way you use your tone and your body language, your behavior, you could be someone who naturally executes a lot of authority. Okay, at times dominance, if I may say so. You're very sharp and crisp in the way you talk, in the way you behave. You're not that softy. You're this sharp, powerful man or woman, okay, who knows how to achieve. So that's the good part. But because of being in this manner, to a certain extent, I want you. What I'm actually trying to say is that because of being the way you are going to push people away, and you're going to feel lonely, if I may say so in direct words. So I want you to be more milder, to be more polite, to be more nicer. In case you are very focused and sharp, and that doesn't mean that this is the only way to achieve things. You can be milder, you can be softer, you can be gentler, you can be more understanding, and these qualities will let you flourish. And see, deep inside you have this beautiful soul, you have this beautiful heart, and you have a lot of good things which people are not able to see. Also, you could be stuck in a situation because of which you're feeling lonely and alone currently. Maybe you have to shift from your family or your loved ones for the purpose of working somewhere, or getting some task done, or taking care of someone. And in the month of September, it's showing me that you have to make some choices. Alright, now I'd like to tell you that when you make those choices, it could be personal, professional, any choice, make sure that you follow truth. Okay, yeah, please weigh all the pros, all the cons, know what's right, what you're getting into, what you're doing, why you're doing. So it's like you have an apple with you, you slit it open from all the sides, check it, and then you eat it. Okay, so please make sure that you're making an informed decision, and you just don't make any random choice, and it would be a disaster. So we don't want that. Okay, so make well informed good choices. Be milder, be sweeter, enjoy life more, smile more, be nicer to everyone. And there is this feeling inside you of, that I'm feeling little dull or alone or lonely, and that will go away. People will feel more comfortable to be with you, be around you. Like nobody wants to be with a man or woman who's too stern or too serious, or who's going to lash out at you or going to rip you apart. Alright, so if you feel ever that these characteristics flow out of me, or if I behave like this at times, please keep that in check. Okay, so this is a very important message which has come across, which I'm sharing with you for pile number 4. At heart, you're a beauty soul, so please let that shine, let that come across. And I also see, there's this lot of anger, lot of blood rush in your upper body. It could be that your head area could be hurting or not feeling good at certain times. So please calm down, relax, do things that calm you, relax you, and also know that everything that's happening in life is a form of synchronicity, and it's meant to be. That's why it is happening. okay? And be a man or woman of your words. If you say something that I'm going to do this, then let it be that way. Don't be someone who says something and doesn't adhere to it, or is going to conveniently not do it, okay? So be a man or woman of your words. Stick to your commitments. Make sure if you're making a commitment, you're serious about it, you're sure about it. Only then, work wise, professionally, personally, relationship wise, yeah. So that is something I like to tell you. Also, as I said, that the sequences or the things that you're going through in life is because they are meant to be, and this is the way they are supposed to be. Also, you could reach out to people for help, or there could be someone in the month of September, September, who could just reach out to you and you could feel good, and that person would turn out to be helpful. So somebody popping up with some healing, helping energies is also possible. Also, if there's any kind of procrastination, you've been delaying things, you've not been doing things, and probably it's the time now. If you were thinking about something, or you wanted to do something, or there was some dream sitting inside you, please go ahead and focus on it and work on it and make it happen. Okay, the crystal that has popped out for you, I'm sorry, just a moment. Okay, the crystal which has popped out for you is selenite. Now, selenite is a very, very high vibration crystal. I don't have it here with me. I wish I had it. Okay, so selenite would actually be best to cleanse our aura. What I would recommend is have beautiful selenites on your bedside table, so whenever you're sleeping, it's going to cleanse your energy, your aura. Or say if you spend many hours sitting and working on a desk, have a nice selenite lamp, or you get these beautiful selenite hearts. You could place those selenite hearts around you, and you could, have this beautiful healing energies of selenites, very high vibration, very cleansing, very balancing, bringing a lot of light in your life, protection in your life, a lot of good things. And when you hold selenite, you feel that there are like rays of light inside it. It's a very delicate, soft, beautiful crystal, and I again truly love it. As I told you, I'm crazy about crystals. Okay, so selenite is something which you could surely give it a shot in the month of September. Have selenite around you. You could also wear selenite if you find, and overall everything's going to be good. Only thing I need you to be milder, sweeter, nicer, so that you can have more people around you. You're more lovable, likable. Also, about the commitment I mentioned, make sure if you make commitments, you live up to it. No procrastination. There's going to be some help which is going to come your way. Things are happening in a sequence as they are meant to be, as they're supposed to be. You will have to make choices, so make sure you make good choices. And truth is something that you would live by, you would believe in, you would follow, and let that beautiful sparkly soul that is sitting inside you, which is very nurturing, loving, and is magical, let that come across, let that shine. Don't be something that is not doing good to you and good to anyone else around you. So be that beautiful shining soul, that beautiful soul, that lovely soul which everybody is very happy to have around. And then this dull feeling or this lonely feeling which you at times feel deep inside you will go away, it will vanish. All right, so I hope that you have a super rocking, fantastic September ahead, and I'm really glad that you are watching my video and you had to receive some important messages, and you surely have received them. So thanks so much for tuning in, and see you really, really soon. Have a great day ahead. Lots of love to each one of you. Bye, take care.